What's going on, everybody? As you may or may not know, I'm the resident blacksmith here at FirstBuild, and maybe unbeknownst to you, I have been creating this. It's a Damascus steel 480 layer Chinese Dao sword. And what we're gonna do with it, we're gonna cut up some fruit. So let's slice it up. And ha! Oh, whoa, missed. Oh, missed again. Oh, missed again. I keep missing. All right. I'm so sticky!
That was pretty ninja. Whoa.
Oh. That's what we call flower power. Come on, right down the center, right down the center. Oh. All right, gang, thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, and see what's coming out next on FirstBuild. Catch you next time.